Hi, I'm Andy from Howard's Peugeot in Taunton, and I'm going to show around this stunning 108 in the GT line specification. So this car has 15-inch alloy wheels, tinted rear windows, and a colour reversing camera. Inside the car there's leather interior. The touchscreen has sat-nav, DAB digital radio and Bluetooth. On top of this there's air conditioning, automatic headlights and a speed limiter. So let's have a look around. This car's got the 1.2 litre PureTech engine that gives you 82 horsepower. It's done 19,000 miles, and if it's of interest to you then please get in contact with us at Howard's Peugeot in Taunton. Thank you.